I was trying to come up with a way to make the slim Packout bins compatible with the normal size Packouts, because in the past we've learned that you just can't stack the bins and make them work. So I was looking at what height did I need to make something in the bottom to make the low profile bins fit properly. And then I was thinking, I'd used my DeWalt case before to raise it up, but that wasn't quite right. And then I was thinking, I wonder if these Milwaukee cases would be the right height. So I put one in, and lo and behold, they're like the perfect height. It locks down. It keeps everything all nice and contained. So, So then, okay, these small cases work. What about the big case? It's like, wow, that's like a perfect fit. And that's like, well, I wonder if you could do that for all of them. And check that out. They are like almost like it's designed to fit in there. And then when you have it like that, you can put stuff in it, lock it up, works just fine. So then I thought, well, okay, yeah, this works for this size Packout. What is it going to work for the larger Packout? So just a second here, let me get that out of the way. It does work for the larger Packout, but not quite as well. There's a little bit more extra space in there. They kind of, I can't lift that up, but they kind of slide around. But it indeed does work. And it closes just fine. And it keeps the contents from moving all over the place. What's more is my printed bins actually work well because they're designed to be the same height. So there we go.